This is the name of this shop. The Empress Market. You know that? Reading. Empress Market. Tiger shopping is done. We're going back to Mall of Emirates. Ano yun? Beef sticks. Beef sticks.
The sticks na, so then the sticks.
Okay. We are in Pakistani mart now. Which biscuit you buy?
That is one.
What's the name of
Low,
that?
vegetable.
Waitable? That one? Up?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. What else?
This one is a Pakistani market.
Tiger is going for shopping.
This is like
Pakistani products in Dubai.
It's actually for the year biscuit here, the chocolate one.
Okay.
Still not found. Leave the Pakistani things have.
Okay. Mostly Pakistani things is here. Here on the left side and in this cabinet side is Filipino. Hmm? What's that?
This is here.
Ah, yeah, here.
I buy this. It's okay.
Here is my
This
favorite.
one, I buy the packet one inside the mayonnaise that she says that. This one.
Ah, okay. Which one? Ah, yeah.
I buy?
For sandwich.
You need
Yes, yes. Bring for me one. Show me, show me. Give me one. Take video.
This one.
This is my favorite. My favorite young chicken spread. Just bring bread, okay? Mayonnaise with the palaman ng sandwich. Hindi ko na alam ang English noon. Keep it there in your basket. Okay. Custard. Okay. Too much color that is Brusanda, right? Brusanda, they have more colors. Red, white, yellow, red, blue. What is this?
This is same like
Mineral water.
you know, sweeting coming in the body. This is like a vapors of the something like herbal things.
Okay. This is herbal things. Gamit sa kusina. Pangluto. Istika masala. Panjariyak ni palaw. Kabuli korma. I like korma. Custard.
I don't know what's the price of that one. This one is good.
This is Tibet cream. I like it. I'm using this Tibet cream.
I found my thing.
I'll buy now too. And I'll try the tube as well. This is tube. I buy also one tube. Tiger, he makes his Pakistani products. So that's why we came here. We still have a safi, right?
My card, I think, finished already.
You have here money.
Have inside card? I think finished card.
Which card? How many products? Tiger, he makes his noodles. Show me your noodles. Noodles. Chicken noodles. Okay. So this is Pakistani chips. Kurkur. Slanty pala. Okay.
I think don't have this one.
What is this? Ano to? What is the name in English, this one?
This one, maybe
English.
we don't know that. Ground, I said, I think. About the
Ground?
I said kadu.
Kadu in your word? Ampalaya.
That's what Rahman need. Why are they putting the mobile?
I'm recording.
So where we go today?
Today, we will